Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet for Beginners. These are the yarn hanks I am going to use for my next project, and it's been a week since they are lying down just like that. So today we would together make yarn balls out of these. First, untwist them like this, slowly and carefully, not to tangle the yarns. Now just stretch it. Now here, these are the threads which are keeping the whole hank in place. So we have to cut these threads first. Just cut it off. This one here will be having two ends of this hank. So first try to open the knot. If it is not possible to open the knot, then you can snip it off, but first give it a try. I'll have to cut this, I think. I am going to give it a last try before cutting. I think I have succeeded in. So these are the two ends of this hank here. Now you can cut the rest. You have to work with one end. I want my ball to be center pull ball, so I would be using this bottle. I would put the tail end here and just tighten the lid, and then I'll wrap the yarn around this thing. Put the hank around the back of this chair. You can use any chair. This is my old dining table chair. Now put the tail end in this bottle and just put the lid on. Now you can wrap the thread around the bottle, just like the way you wrap the yarn around your fingers. So just sometimes first two rounds are difficult as some of the threads are tangled. So after every while, keep on twisting your bottle left and right, just like that. So the thread is coming as crossed like this. So it keeps the thread in place. Now from here, so after this, again wrap the yarn normally. Now again tilt it towards any side first, then towards opposite side. Now here and then straight. So at the end, when we are finished with this hang, we will pull the bottle out, and because of this technique, thread will not be out of place. Yeah. If you roll the bottle also, then this crisscross is all over the bottle. Yes. This. So it's slightly time consuming and back breaking. Still, at the end of it, you achieve something. Now we are almost complete. Wrap the last few rounds very tightly, as we are going to tuck the outer end there. So this should be slightly tight. Tuck the outer end here. and secure this with your crochet hook. Now open the lid, keep this in your hand and slightly try to pull this out. You have to wiggle the bottle out. First push the ball like this out, still holding, or you can just keep the lid on and then push the bottle out like this. Now take the inner end out. This would be our working end. Just squish it like this. So this would be our working end, and we have made center pull yarn ball. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.